So hello students, today we are going to learn chapter number 8 of class 10, that is trigonometry. Okay, so in the previous period we have learned about the trigonometric ratios. Okay, now today in this part we are going to learn about trigonometric ratios for some specific angles. Okay, in this part we are going to learn about trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. Okay, so let us start it. Now, let us consider a triangle ABC, which is a right angle at point B. Okay. Now, if we consider that angle C is 45 degree, then by angle sum property, we get that angle A is also 45 degree. Okay. Now, since in this triangle, two angles are equal to each other. Okay, that is two angles are same. So since these two angles are same, then the side opposite to this angle, that is AB, its value will be equal to the side opposite to this angle, that is BC. By which property? This we have learned in 9th standard, which is known as side opposite to equal angles. Okay, so now if we consider that value of this angle, this side, that is BC, if it is A, okay, then value of AB will also be A. Okay, that is small a. Now what we have to do, let us try to find what will be the value of the side AC. How to find it? So we can find it by using, yes, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so in triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we get that. Now what we will get? We have to find AC square. Okay, AC. So by Pythagoras theorem, we will get, we know that what is Pythagoras theorem? It is hypotenuse square equals to base square plus altitude square. Okay, so now what is our hypotenuse? So that is AC. So you will get, therefore AC square is equal to, base is BC, so BC square plus AB square. Now what is the value of AC? So we don't have any value, we have to find it. BC, so it is A. Okay, so you will get here A square plus A square. So therefore AC square, again AC square equals to 2A, sorry, it will be 2A square, but we don't want this one in square form, we simply want AC, so it can be written as, therefore by taking square root of both the side, you will get AC equals to root 2A. Okay, so now we are having all the values, so let us write the value of AC as root 2A. Okay, now what we have to do, we are going to find the trigonometric ratios for angle 45. Now you can use any angle, this one or this one, both are same. We will use it for this angle, that is angle C. Okay, now instead of considering it as angle C, we will pronounce it as angle 45. So I'm just removing this one. Okay, now we have already learned about the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so I'm not going in more detail, I'm just will find the values for this one. Now we know that sine of any angle is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay, now for angle 45, sine 45 will be opposite upon hypotenuse. So for this angle 45, which side is opposite? AB. And what is hypotenuse? AC. So we have written here AB upon AC. Now what is the value of AB in this figure? So it is A. Okay, so we will write here A upon what is the value of AC? So it is root 2A. So here you will get root 2A. Now this A and A will get cancelled. This A and this A will get cancelled. So finally what you will have? You will have 1 upon root 2. Okay, now similarly we have to find the trigonometric ratios for angle 45, okay, for all the remaining ratios. Now similarly let us see now what will be cos of 45. We know that cos is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. So for this angle 45, which side is adjacent? So it is BC upon AC. So BC is A and AC is root 2A. So we can say that now cos 45, value of BC, it is also A, value of AC, so it is also root 2A. Now again what will happen? This A and this A will get cancelled. So finally what you will have? We'll have it as 1 upon root 2. Now next one, tan of any angle is opposite upon adjacent. So for this angle 45, opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BC. Okay, so we have already written here AB upon BC. Now what is the value of A? AB, so that is A. Value of BC is also A. So what you will get here? A upon A, so that equals to, now this both will get cancelled, so our final answer will be A, sorry, it will be 1. Okay, so now next one, now cot 45. So I will do one thing, I'll copy this figure a little bit downside so that it will be easy for us to understand. Okay, so now cot 45, cot of any angle equals to adjacent upon opposite. So for this angle 45, adjacent side is BC, we have written it here, and opposite side is AB. Okay, so value of BC is A and AB is also A. So again you will get A upon A, which after cancelling you will get equals to 1. Okay, now let us see for sec 45. Okay, now we know that sec of any angle is equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent. For this angle C, hypotenuse is root 2A, hypotenuse is AC, adjacent side is BC, that we have written here. Now what is the value of AC? So it is root 2A, BC is A. So what you will get here? Root 2A upon A, that equals to, okay, now again here we can cancel this A and this A, so our final answer will be root 2. Okay, the next one, cosec 45. So we know that cosec of any angle is equal to hypotenuse upon opposite. Okay, now for this angle 45, which side is hypotenuse? AC upon, and opposite side is AB, that we have written here. Now what is the value of AC? Root 2A, ABA. So you will get here again root 2A upon A, that equals to, here again we can cancel this one, so our final answer will be root 2. Okay, so here what we have done, now we are having all the 6 trigonometric ratios. These all are 6 trigonometric ratios for which angle? For angle 45 degree. Okay, so now let us write it properly. I'm just highlighting these ratios, these values which we got here. So now we can directly say that sine of 45, its value is how much? 1 upon root 2. So I am writing that values over here. Okay, sine 45, let me write it with a different color, is how much? 1 upon root 2. Then cot 45, so it is also 1 upon root 2. Then tan 45, that is 1. Okay, then we have cot 45. Okay, so it is also 1. Then sec 45 is root 2, and finally finally our cosec 45, that is this one, it is also root 2. Okay, now if you look at this value, in the previous period we have learned that sine, its reciprocal is cosec, so you can see that the values are also in reciprocal form. Now 1 upon root 2, its reciprocal will be root 2. Cos, it is reciprocal of sec, or sec is reciprocal of cos, so if the value of cos we are getting here 1 upon root 2, sec we are getting as its reciprocal root 2. Tan, it is reciprocal of cot, so tan is 1, so cot is also 1. Okay, so in this way what we have done, we have learned how to find the values for angle 45 degree. Okay, so in this way now we can find for 30 degree also, for 60 degree also, for 0 degree also, and for 90 degree. In this year we are going to learn about these 5 values. Okay, so this much is enough for today. Now you people should copy this one and write from start, means from this triangle in the same way you have to first find the third side, and then you have to calculate all the 6 trigonometric ratios for angle 45. So this much is